Alright guys, it's here, it's March 1st, Polaris has dropped SnowCheck, and today we're looking at the Pro RMK Matryx Slash. Polaris is dubbing this the world's most capable mountain sled, and if there's one word used for this snowmobile, it's ultimate. Whether it's ultimate ski lift, ultimate control, or ultimate technology, this machine really does have it all. You're looking at 7 color options available, 3 motor options including the all-new Patriot Boost. And we say all new, but Polaris really had this planned all along. The folks over there tell us that when they built the Patriot motor, they knew that one day they wanted to mount a turbo from the factory to this sled. And it's just awesome to see it actually come to life and be available to customers to order as part of SnowCheck. The suspension on this guy, up front, we've got the RMK React suspension powered by Walker Evans, either Racing Light or Racing Velocity shocks that are on this one. As far as the rear goes, you've got the Pro RMK rear suspension, so a little less aggressive, let's call it, than the Chaos, which is going to be more of a wheelie machine. This is way more predictable, the typical RMK style that you're used to. You either end up with the Walker Lights or the Walker Velocities, depending on the package you choose here. And as far as tracks go, you've got 4 options if you want the Matryx Slash. You've got a 155-275, a 155-3, a 163-3, or a 165-275. So really a ton of options here to build the ultimate snowmobile for you. As far as technology goes, we mentioned ultimate technology, and this 7S display is just that. Polaris dropped this unit on us last year, and with its integrated map setup, the ability to make ride groups, toggle back and forth between whether it's the map side of things or some different data views depending on the rider or the type of riding that you're doing. You can show things like engine hours, engine temp, trip meter, elevation, battery, whatever's going to make you feel the most comfortable on your heads-up display to glance down at while you're riding out in the mountains. As far as handlebar controls go, I mean, typical RMK fashion, not a lot happening on the handles, keeping everything down and out of the way. Storage-wise, it's great to see this Matryx storage compartment come to life on the RMK snowmobiles. You've got USB charging if you go with the 7S display, which is great for guys like us who are spending a lot of time behind the camera, charging cell phones, posting to social media, etc. Out back, like we talked about, we've got the 165 on here, some room for storage, and the reason we're all here, let's hear a little bit about this turbo.
Wicked stock sled I've ever ridden. Insane.